Welcome back. 2005 Chevy Suburban. Needs a front wheel hub. We're going to do a front wheel hub on this. What is that? T55. I'd rather have a short one than a long one. Off to a good start here. Let's go back to the top and try this for first starts. That broke loose. That was fun. We'll do some, she's going to get on the bottom again. Bad idea. I hate the fact that they make decent torques. Just asking to have problems. You pick. Make sure it's clean. I know you can't see it. Alright. Let's try that again. Come on. I'm trying to get in a good spot here and not block everything you're seeing. I'm trying to break this loose. Oh. There it goes. Well, that was fun. But they did come loose. Bottom pin. Stick that right there. They're a little tight. They're just a little tight. Just a little. Come on. Let's put the gun on them. Oh, set my brake pad aside here. It's the one. Oh, look at that. Caliper. I'm going to need a rotor. Something seized up here. Either bad caliper or slide pins, but my inner pad is completely gone. Get them out. Try to get them out. That one came right out. This one not so much. Interesting. Different setup. Okay. It is definitely giving me a hard time here. That's for sure. We'll see what we can do. It's amazing what heat does if it moved. I think it did though. Sure did. A little bit of heat is a great thing. Okay, let's work on the top one now, which didn't want to move before, but careful with that brake line. Heat for the win. Looks like I need a caliper though, because that those slide pins were definitely not locked up or anything, but man, it tore that up. Going well. Alright, here's my mounting caliper mounting bracket. That's my outside pad. See how thick it is? Inside, go on. So, most likely the caliper. Tore that rotor up. This is really what I'm going for, is these, this right here, this hub needs to be replaced. Let's get this axle loose. Why do I use a file? Because it was right there. That's why. Alright. That is loose, not hung up. So this guy I've cracked loose already, right here. If you didn't see it, because the battery ran out. But this one, let's see if I can crack that one loose too. Ouch. Is that loose? Is that turned? Wow, that guy was pretty loose. Wasn't even really tight. It was tight, but not tight like it should have been. And I got one more on the other side, which I'm gonna do. All right, I'll show you what I'm doing on this side. I'll try to show you at least. I hope. Just gotta back them out. They're all coming out, but they're just kind of fighting me. Sometimes you gotta push this axle in to get a little more clearance. It's just a matter of getting them out of there. There's two. Get the top one here. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. I hope. I don't know. Alright, just enough to get that out. Push that in a little more. Get that bolt out. There we go. There's number 3. Alright, so what I normally try to do is get in here and just get this to rotate a little bit, one way or the other. Once it rotates, then you can usually knock it off of there. You can just beat on this with a hammer, but sometimes they won't move. So I'm going to do it with a punch. I have an air hammer, so I can use an air hammer if I want. But a lot of people don't have it, so this is how I'm going to try at least to do it. Try to get a good shot at it here somehow. See if I can get it to move. I don't have a lot of room. And then you can beat on it like that. There's a lot of different ways you can do it, but this is what I'm going to try first. I think I'm going to get my air hammer though. Not moving, but just keep at it. It's moving, it's separating, which is what I want to see. At least it's separating on this side. It's not being nice. Try to hit the backing shield with this. It's coming out. It's coming out. There we go. Let go. I know you're loose because I moved you. You just don't want to let go, do you? Alright, let me just set that in here for a second. At least try to. Come on, get up in there. Grab my gun. A lot of fun with this one. Just doesn't want to let go of that. Okay. It's definitely loose. Just not letting go easy, is it? That goes in the backing plate. All torn up. It's gotta go like that. So my ABS sensor comes through over here. Like that.